Hey there, YouTube. How's she going, boys? Welcome to another episode of Three Toe Customs. I'm your host with the most, Three Toe Joe. If you didn't know, well, now you know. What do we got going on for you today? Well, today we have a real good one for you because we're going to be modifying the passenger side grab bar on our Polaris RZR here we're going to be adding a little more of a custom flair to it. That's right, you heard me. We're going to be taking this factory grab bar and we're going to be transforming it into visually appealing, more stylish grab bar. So if that's something that interests you and you want to see how I achieve this, then you might want to follow along. Oh, and while the intro is playing, never hurts to take a second to smash those like, subscribe, and notification buttons. It really goes a long way towards helping me build my channel, eh, boys? Alright, welcome back. So we're going to jump right into this one. It's not a really big mod. It's not going to take us very much time here. So all you're going to need to do with this job is a really nice blade, nice sharp wolf or whatever, you know, and a nice set of hand grips of your choice. Basically, pretty much any mountain bike hand grips or ATV hand grips should do the trick. You just want to stay away from motorcycle ones because one side will always have the one for the twist throttle, and so yeah, you don't want to get those. But any mountain bike ones or ATV ones should do the trick for you. They're all pretty much the same diameter on the inside. And I mean, if you look on Amazon or eBay, there's just hundreds and hundreds of different options out there for whatever look you need. Now, I found that these Rock Brothers ones here, I had these on my 800 and I really like the look. It really complements the look of my machine. And I had looked when I first got my 900 and I couldn't find them online. So then all of a sudden the other day I went online and boom, there they were. So I grabbed a set right away. They're only about 20 bucks, $18 I think it was. So not really an expensive mod, and it just looks cool and doesn't really add no functions. But you could go a step further and add ATV hand warmers to this if you wanted to. You know, it'd be super easy to send some wires up into the pipe and it would be a really easy mod. Maybe we'll do that in the future, but for now we're just going to add our hand grips here. So let's get right into that and we'll show you how we get that done. Okay, so first things first here, we got our knife. We got to cut these old grips off. I like to start just right at the very edge of the end of the grip here. It gives you a nice flat edge to follow, so you can cut it right about there. And it shouldn't be too hard to cut. This material is not super strong. Oh, I should probably take my vise. Now you might have to go and cut off a little more too, depending on how long your grips are, but this is where I like to start anyways, as to not take off too much. This is a question I see asked on Facebook once in a while about hand grips and different options and how you would achieve it. So I figured since I had done a set on my 800 that I may as well go right ahead and do them on my 900. Complements the look and everything real nice. So once you get that cut through, you'll know that you're all the way through because you're hitting metal bar. So now, if I remember correctly, yeah, there you go, just like that. Once you get her cut off, give her a couple twists, and here she comes. nice. We'll go ahead and we'll get the other one cut now. They're a little tight on there, so you got to use some elbow grease to get them off. But hey, get those off. We'll just give these a little. All right, so these here, they're super easy to put on. As you can see, it's just two little Allen head bolts. They tighten them onto the thing. And if you ever need to take them apart for cleaning, they're really easy to take apart for cleaning as well. This whole insert here is just an orange insert. I don't know if you guys can see that, but basically you just remove your two rings here in the ends, and it just kind of clips out, and then you can slide this whole piece out. So you can clean these really easy, which is nice, because if ever you go somewhere it's muddy, they got a lot of little crevices. So the logo's up on the top side here. There, and we can place our little end caps in the end here, and they might be too long, so what I will do is I will just possibly cut an end off here. That's probably what's going to happen. There. Shut this off so we don't burn ourselves. See if this did the trick here. There you go, perfect. That's all we needed. We'll just go ahead and we'll get this part tightened on, and should have our end cap good. Nicely. All right, there you have it, boys. Fully modified, customized grab bar. Oh, it has pretty good grip too. Like, the rubber is really grippy. So, not really an upgrade, just a visual upgrade. We'll go and get this put in, and we'll give you guys a show what she looks like. All right, there we go. You guys can see these nice new orange Pro Armor harnesses there that we got in, so this will all match really nicely. Looks pretty snazzy. Starting to get close to where my 800 was. Nice. There you have it.